Ta-da-da! What we have next? Let's see. This is Lightning McQueen. Alloy car. Is this from Metal? I don't. Metal or Hasbro or something. No, it is not. Let me just zoom it in a bit. Let's collect all cars together. 3 plus 8. But it's clearly Lightning McQueen. But कहीं भी cars का वो नहीं है. Let's collect them all. कहीं भी cars का branding नहीं है. So it's like a copy, but it was such an emotional movie. Like literally, what's an emotional movie, and it is worth like one of the very good memories from my childhood. And so this is Lightning McQueen. It also have a light air wala shoe wo wala, and this is excellent, I would say. Like just I can. और यहाँ पे कुछ तो है बैटरी का. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे रिमूव कर दूँ, does it go back, front? Does it have a remote? I don't think it has a remote, but this is the car. ऐसे रखेंगे Lightning McQueen. Just look at it and the red shine, everything. I don't know what it is for. I think ऐसा है. This is 2014 लिखा हुआ इस साइड से. I'll just give you this. So racing legal 95. This is classic Lightning McQueen. The tires का ना वैसा, that rotation is so good. Like I think इसको पीछे खींचोगे तो आगे जाएगा टाइप्स, ऐसा कुछ. Yeah, like yeah. And आगे से ऐसा दिखता है. So मैं कॉपीराइट लगेगा मेरे को. ठीक है, no copyright please. And this is 2014, and this is Crazy Racing Chariots Without Rival. Okay, so let's go to our caliper. I think our caliber is capable of it, probably. So about 117 centimeter, you can say. And if we go for a width, so the highest point width would be like 65 centimeter, and height would be about 41. And the tire width, it's too good. Like this much is a tire width, 24/7. And this, like, see, 24.9. So it's a good width wala also, like agar मैं वैसे बोलूँ तो. And that it's rolled off very nicely, like so yeah, link in the description for this. So here is the sensor probably. Bye, thank you.